Students, welcome to my channel. Today's session is dedicated to English language. Let us see what am I going to teach under this session today. Here we go ahead with the topic that I have selected today is the format for letter writing, and here I am giving the format for informal letter. So let's move ahead with the format. The first here we have sender's address. Now when we are writing sender's address, students, we should not forget that address should be maximum 4 lines and punctuation is must. It needs to be written on the left side. After writing the address, we need to leave a line. After leaving a line, go ahead with date. Now date here needs to be written in full. Next, after writing the date, leave a line. After leaving a line, go ahead with salutation. Salutation here, you can write my dear friend, my dear uncle, or dear Rohan, dear Rajesh, dear mother, etc. etc. Next, after writing the salutation, leave a line. Then comes the main content of our topic. Now this needs to be divided into 3 to 4 paragraphs, everything to be written on the left side. Students, please avoid leaving 1 finger or 2 finger space, as that pattern is quite outdated and that is that serves the traditional format of letter writing. Here we are doing the block format, so we will be writing everything towards the left side, which is the need of an R. Now how will you begin the matter? You will begin the matter by introducing a paragraph. Now for example, if you have or if you've given a topic stating write a letter to your father seeking permission to go to the camp. So how will you begin your introducing lines? Students, avoid beginning with hello dad, hi dad, how are you, I hope the letter finds you in pink of your health. That's quite cheesy. You shouldn't be writing that these days, students. You will be writing that hope you're doing well, father. I have written this letter to speak to you regarding the camping that is being taking place or conducted by our hostel school. Alright, so after writing the introducing paragraph, we'll move ahead with we will leave a line and then we'll move ahead with the body. Your body will be speaking about the main agenda, the main topic, and how important it is for you to visit to the camp. Alright, after writing the body, leave a line. After leaving a line, you will be going ahead with concluding paragraph. Now concluding paragraph here, you will be mentioning that you hope that your father gives you permission to go to the camping site. You will give regards to your family members, your siblings, your brothers, etc. etc. Remember that it should not exceed more than 3 to 4 paragraphs. Once you're done with your concluding paragraph, leave a line. After leaving a line, the last part is a subscription. After subscription, you are going to write your name. Only the first name is enough since we are dealing with the format of informal letter, unlike the formal letter. Okay, so this is the format for the informal letter. Let us see what are the important notes to be followed when we go ahead with the informal letter writing. The first and the foremost is after writing the sender's address, we write date. Now date needs to be written in full. So date can be written in ways. So I have given various ways here, that is October 1, 2020. After 1 you put a comma, then a full stop, or you can write 1st October 2020, no need to punctuate over here. After 2020 put a full stop, or you can write 1 October comma 2020 and full stop. Next we go ahead with salutation. Now salutation can be written in ways. Let us see that. You can either write my dear father, uncle, or your brother's name, friend's name, etc. Or you can even write dear uncle, dear mother, dear Rajesh, dear Rohan, etc. etc. Don't forget to capitalize the words father, uncle, mother, etc. All right, the next point that we need to remember is when we are writing subscription, we write yours affectionately or yours lovingly. All right, when we write yours affectionately, students, we don't put apostrophe s. Okay, unlike avoid writing apostrophe s, it is always yours. All right, the next is when you're writing affectionate son, then it should be with your and not yours. So you write it in this way: your affectionate son or your loving daughter, etc. Avoid writing apostrophe s, yours in apostrophe s. With affectionately, it is yours. With affectionate son or daughter, etc., it is your. Okay, next let us have a look at the sample letter here. The question of the letter is write a letter to your ailing mother inquiring about her health. All right, so what is the first thing? Yes, correct, sender's address. Now if you focus on sender's address, it is not maximum 4 lines. Now if you're writing a letter to your mother inquiring about her health, that is, of course, you are far away from your mother, so you're writing it from boys hostel. All right, so boys hostel with school, Swami Vivekanand school. After that, in which locality it is in? It is in Goregaon West. Then comes the pin code of the city, that is Mumbai 400063. So this is maximum 4 lines and not exceeding beyond that. Students, we need to focus, as I stated earlier as well, that punctuation is a must. After sender's address, leave a line. After leaving a line, you need to write date in full. You will not write DATE, date, and then the colon. You will straight away write date. So I have mentioned the date here, 12 November, 2019. Okay, after writing date, leave a line and then go ahead with your salutation. You're writing a letter to your mother, so it will obviously my dear mother. And remember, under notes we dealt with capitalize mother, father, daddy, uncle, etc. Okay, after writing the salutation, leave a line and then move ahead with your introduction or introducing lines. I have written here, I have received a letter from daddy yesterday and was very upset to learn that your bronchitis still persists and the medicines are not proving very effective. This is my introduction to the letter or introducing line to the letter. After this, leave a line. After leaving a line, move ahead with the main body. You may divide the main body into 2 parts as well, students. Okay, if you divide the main body into 2 parts, then your concluding paragraph or the last concluding lines will be the last or 4th paragraph. All right, so I have written here in the second paragraph, see, I have not left 1 finger or 2 finger space. I have written everything on the left side. I have left a line between the two when you are beginning the paragraph, right from the margin towards the left side. After the paragraph, you need to leave a line. So my second paragraph states, I was anxious to come back home and be your side at this time of your illness, but you know the school authorities are very strict and won't permit me to miss my examination. I shall come home as soon as my examination is done. This is my second paragraph. After second paragraph, I'll leave a line and go ahead with the third paragraph. Third paragraph, again, this is related to the body, and I am even trying to conclude in some way or the other. In the meantime, kindly keep me informed about the progress of your health. I sincerely hope you are acting on the doctor's advice and are taking a nourishing and balanced diet. Please do not become careless in taking your medicines. Perhaps it may be advisable to seek a second opinion also. After this, leave a line and then comes your last concluding line. That is, I hope to meet you soon. Give my regards to Rohit, my brother or my sibling, and daddy. After this, leave a line. After leaving a line, there comes a subscription, your loving son, Rahul, and a full stop. It's an informal letter, so I have written only the first name. Alright, and I have not written yours. If instead of loving son, I would have written affectionately, then I would have mentioned here yours affectionately. Okay. So that's it, students, for the day. This I have explained the format of the formal letter. Thank you so much. If you like my video, then give feedback by pressing the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will get a bell icon towards the right side. Press to that bell icon and all notification. This will keep you updated with the post that I keep on forwarding, so you'll keep on getting the notifications related to it. Thank you.